Hey everyone, one of the best illustrations of how quickly AI-focused laptops are developing is the HP Elitebook 8. CPUs and GPUs are becoming quicker every year, but the Neural Processing Unit, or NPU, is the new frontier. HP's most recent Elitebook completely embraces this change. The Elitebook 8 is built to handle the majority of your AI workloads locally, rather than depending on cloud-based AI acceleration, providing speed, privacy, and efficiency that conventional hardware cannot match. The Ryzen i7-4350 CPU from AMD is the central component of this laptop. This implies that the system doesn't need to transfer data anyplace else in order to process trillions of AI operations every second. The Elitebook 8 reacts nearly instantaneously whether you're using Photoshop's generative tools, Lightroom's AI-powered picture edits, Copilot for email writing, or models that support creative work. HP offers configuration freedom in addition to its already remarkable performance headroom. If users require more AI-focused power, they can upgrade to Ryzen AI 7 Pro 350 model or downgrade to Ryzen AI 5 model. Elitebook 8 is ready for rigorous multitasking and creative activities thanks to its 32 gigs DDR5 RAM, which can be upgraded to 64 gigs. Although Radeon 860M integrated graphics won't take the place of a dedicated GPU, this model's 14-inch Full HD plus touchscreen offers dependable color fidelity and seamless touch interaction, but its LCD design restricts viewing angles when compared to OLED competitors. Thankfully, HP offers higher-end display options in the setup sheet, enabling customers to upgrade to a smoother and clearer 2.5K 120Hz panel if their job would benefit from it. Another area where HP demonstrates maturity is in build quality. Elitebook 8 has a sleek, polished appearance that is appropriate for business and creative settings, and it feels sturdy and high-end. The laptop has a contemporary, eco-friendly appearance thanks to HP's use of sustainable materials and recycled metals. The trackpad is big, fast, and easy to operate, and the keyboard provides excellent travel and precision. What really sets the Elitebook 8 apart is its AI capabilities. AI-based removal techniques operate fast and precisely in programs like Lightroom. On-device AI art creation seems incredibly fluid, and Photoshop's generative fill reacts in a matter of seconds. Because of the dedicated key and the effective NPU technology, even Copilot launches instantly when it is asked to create email drafts or summarize data. For a business-class laptop, connectivity is outstanding. With two Thunderbolt 4 connections, HDMI 2.1, USB-C, USB-A, and a headphone socket, the Elitebook 8 seamlessly integrates with common accessories, docking configurations, and contemporary monitors. Because of this, it may be used as both a fixed desk workstation and a travel machine. A 62 watt-hours battery and the bundled 100-watt compact USB-C charger power everything. With HP Fast Charge technology, the laptop can achieve 50% capacity in about 30 minutes. In summary, the HP Elitebook 8 positions itself as a cutting-edge work laptop designed for the AI-accelerated era. Strong performance, outstanding AI capabilities, useful design, strong security, contemporary connectivity, and extended battery life are all combined into a product that seems prepared for both current and future workloads. The Elitebook 8 is an appealing option that offers far more than conventional business notebooks if your daily routine includes AI-enhanced work, creative capabilities, or just the requirement for a quick, dependable machine with enterprise-grade durability. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I will be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.